Vitamin E isn't a single vitamin, rather, a group of fat-soluble vitamins with antioxidant effects. Vitamin E oil is derived from vitamin E and can be applied directly to the skin or added to lotions, creams, and gels. Vitamin E supplements can prevent coronary heart disease, support immune function, prevent inflammation, promote eye health, and lower the risk of cancer. Now that we know the basics about vitamin E, without further ado, let's get into the top benefits and uses of vitamin E capsules. 1. Antioxidant and free radicals. Most people know that antioxidants are good for them, but not everyone knows why. Antioxidants can help you by protecting your heart, controlling diabetes complications, defending against dementia, and even supporting your eyesight. As an antioxidant, vitamin E helps your body to get rid of the free radicals to prevent cell damage. 2. Stretch marks. Vitamin E is an antioxidant known for its anti-aging and skin-regenerating benefits. It's often used to reduce the appearance of stretch marks and scars, combining vitamin E with essential oils that have other skin-rejuvenating benefits may give your stretch mark treatment regimen a boost. 3. Strengthens your immune system. Vitamin E can slow the aging process in your cells by removing free radicals from your body and by promoting anti-inflammatory effects. By strengthening your immune system, vitamin E antioxidants can help protect you against a variety of different types of disease. This is one of the main ways that eating foods that contain vitamin E or supplementing with vitamin E capsules can help you stay healthy. 4. Multiple skincare benefits. Vitamin E isn't only beneficial when taken internally. Many people use vitamin E oil for skincare benefits, and the vitamin can make the nerves stronger and help in nourishing your skin from within. Burst vitamin E capsules with a safety pin and apply it onto your face for the best skincare effects. Vitamin E oil derived from capsules also helps to regenerate new skin cells and can lighten brown spots or scars found on the face, and it's even considered an effective anti-aging treatment. 5. Balances your cholesterol levels. Keeping LDL cholesterol levels low can reduce the risk of heart disease, but beneficial HDL cholesterol is actually something the body needs. Many people think of cholesterol as a bad thing that only harms their body and causes heart disease. But this isn't true. While having high cholesterol levels is bad for you, this doesn't mean that all cholesterol is inherently bad. There's only a problem when its blood levels exceed the normal range. Your liver naturally produces cholesterol, which is used to produce hormones and help your cells and nerves to function properly. That's why your focus should be on having a balanced cholesterol level, and vitamin E can help you achieve that. 6. Acne treatment. Nutritionally speaking, vitamin E is an anti-inflammatory, which means it can help boost your immune system and help with cell regeneration. It's thought that these properties may specifically help with inflammatory acne. Active acne outbreaks may benefit more from a spot treatment. You can look for spot treatments containing vitamin E, or another option is to combine pure vitamin E oil with a lightweight carrier oil and then apply it directly to your blemishes. It's also important to get enough vitamin E in your diet. This can help your overall skin health by improving your complexion. 7. Packed with healthy nutrients. It's always a good idea to eat natural sources of vitamin E rather than taking it as a supplement. Foods like almonds and spinach are loaded with all kinds of useful nutrients and antioxidants that are important to stay healthy, and you won't find them in a supplement. Good nutrition helps promote optimum health, and adding these foods to your diet can also help you lower the levels of bad cholesterol in your blood and protect your heart. Of course, it's not possible for everyone to get enough vitamin E naturally. That's where supplements come in. 8. Make lips healthier. If you have vitamin E capsules, you can simply cut one open and apply the product right into your lips. Vitamin E boosts circulation and may help generate new skin cells, making your lips softer. 9. Protects your nervous system. Getting the required amount of vitamin E is essential for the health of your nervous system. Vitamin E can protect your nervous system by eliminating free radicals from your body. When the level of vitamin E decreases, you become at risk of developing vitamin E deficiency. This puts you at risk of developing brain and spinal cord health conditions. However, it's important to note that taking vitamin E supplements has not proven useful in preventing dementia and Alzheimer's disease, according to the latest clinical trials. 10. Protects against UV rays. Vitamin E can help you protect your skin from the damaging effect of ultraviolet rays. One study found that applying vitamin E and vitamin C on your skin can protect against photo damage caused by overexposure to the sun. This is one of the reasons why eating a diet rich in vitamin E or supplementing with vitamin E when necessary can keep your skin looking healthy and young. Another study found that vitamin E is an effective compound when it comes to skin rejuvenation. 11. Stimulates hair growth. Vitamin E can be a great deep conditioner for your hair and can give it the shine and moisture you're looking for. Vitamin E can also stimulate hair growth. Being a well-known antioxidant, it can repair hair damage. You can apply vitamin E directly to your hair, increase the amount of vitamin E-rich food you eat, or supplement with vitamin E capsules for hair growth benefits. Some hair products have vitamin E added to them to make them more effective in treating damage. 12. Prevents muscle cramping. Vitamin E could help ease the pain of stiff muscles after exercise, according to a recent study. The research suggests that the vitamin's antioxidant properties help relieve the pain of sore muscles by fighting the free radicals caused by the metabolism of oxygen during exercise. During the study, one group supplemented with vitamin E every day, while the other took a placebo. The participants were asked to note the levels of muscle soreness after exercise. While muscle damage and inflammation still occurred after intense exercise, the study found that the effects were alleviated by vitamin E. 13. Promotes nail health. Fed up with trying to find a remedy for your cracked nails? You might want to treat the cause of the issue instead. Research suggests that vitamin E supplementation can prevent yellow nail syndrome, which causes peeling, cracked, and yellowing nails. Vitamin E oil's moisturizing benefits may also support nail health by preventing cracked cuticles and dry skin around the nail bed. 14. Eyes. Specifically, vitamin E has been known to lower the risk of developing macular degeneration and cataracts, two of the most common age-related conditions affecting eyesight. Several studies have shown evidence of the positive role vitamin E can play in improving vision. 15. Wrinkles. Dry skin tends to look more wrinkled than well-moisturized skin. The moisturizing benefits of vitamin E oil may help the skin look more youthful and less wrinkled. Finally, there are a few side effects of oral use of vitamin E. Some research suggests that it might increase the risk of prostate cancer. There are several other side effects that come with taking vitamin E at high doses, particularly if you have other health conditions or have had a heart attack or stroke. Rarely, you may experience nausea, diarrhea, intestinal cramps, fatigue, weakness, headaches, blurred vision, or a rash after taking vitamin E. Vitamin E is readily available in a whole host of foods, but supplementation is a good idea if you're not getting enough from your daily diet. Ingesting vitamin E can provide an impressive range of benefits. Just remember to stick to the recommended dosage and consult your doctor if you're unsure. You can buy vitamin E supplements from most health food stores and online. If in doubt, always speak to a medical professional before supplementing with vitamin E. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on 6 health benefits of vitamin E cream for skin, dark circles, and scars. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.